Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your laptop. Normally, to restart your laptop, you have to open the start menu by clicking on the start button right here, then select power options and tap on the restart option. Alternatively, you can use Alt F4 combination of keys, then select restart on the list and select OK. But if you cannot open neither of these menu, you can turn off the laptop by long pressing the power key until the power indicator on the left side switches off. Okay, and once it switches off, short press the power button again to turn on your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.